Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing the transmission on a 2018 Honda Odyssey Elite, which is, you tell by the headlights, it's the top tier or package. And we're doing the transmission because it's got 216,000. We did it before, about 75,000 miles ago, but we're doing it. I didn't record that, but again, this one is one of those it's got no dipstick, so basically you gotta fill it by drain. So here on the lower half, you can see that we have the 3/8 inch square drive for the drain, and on top there, oh, I can't see it. Wait a second, let me get a light. All right, if you can see from the light, it's that bolt way up there. It's a 17 mil. You want to make sure you crack it so you know that it's gonna come loose before you start draining it. But otherwise, we're gonna let it drain. We're gonna fill, and then we'll have the triple, and then we'll go through the rest of the procedure. This is pretty basic and pretty easy to do. So here we go. Let's open up this. This is super hot because you just got here. So we're gonna try to unscrew that and this is about 75,000 miles, like I said, and it's a little amber. Ooh, look at that. All right, that's super hot. And we'll get that drained out. All right, it's coming out. The fluid looks clean. It's just not very bright red, but I mean, other than that, it looks very clean. It doesn't seem to be any debris. Let's go take a look at the drain plug and see what. Here's the drain plug, and there seems to be some metal on the end. So we'll clean that off and put it back in, but not too bad. I mean, that's not bad. All right, let's get it back together. For about, oh, I don't know, it's gotta be an hour. And now we're putting the cap back on. It's down to a couple trickles, so transmission is still very hot. So we'll tighten that up. We'll do the fill until we have the drip, and I'll get some lights on that, and let's get that done. Okay guys, we're using the modified the weed pump, you know, for the multi-limit. This has been a very good unit. Like I said, I like the ones with the pressure release on it, and we did do a modification to the thing so we can get it in. We remove the bolt. Remember, I forgot to say, but you have to remove all of the panels underneath to access this stuff. So, my bad. So I'm gonna get it filled. We're gonna let it drip out into the catch here once we're filled, and then we're gonna tighten it up, run it through all the gears, and then we'll take the cap off again to see if we need to add any more. Okay, let's go from there.